Z-Fam Mama, and today I have Gracie. Grace is with me, and she is going to do December 18th Advent calendar from Young Living. So here we go. What is it? Can you tell?
Yes.
What is it?
It's tea tree.
Tea tree. What do we use tea tree for? You don't know?
Well, I
Well,
know the one from the shower, but...
From the shower?
Yeah.
What's that?
I use it to clean my hair a lot.
Oh,
get
tea
on.
tree stuff. Yeah, you can drop tea tree. Tea tree's great to prevent head lice. Tea tree's great
That's right.
for zits, breakouts. Tea tree's good for, oh gosh, just antiseptic kind of
Yeah.
things, right? What else do we use tea tree for? Some people really like the smell of it. I'm not really one to diffuse tea tree, although it is a good one to diffuse if you like kind of that smell. But we use it for a lot of things like cuts, and if you get like ingrown toenails, we put it on there, so like to help with the infection, and we use it for spots on us and hair. That's another really good one,
Yeah.
huh?
Yeah, because the lice thing,
The lice thing, and yeah.
you might have.
So that's a great one. Yay! Watch back or come back tomorrow and watch for the 19th. Merry Christmas, everyone.